In this last video, I'm just showing you an overview of what the completed website project will look like once you are done. This will give you a visual picture of what you are working towards. You see, I've opened the index page, previewing it offline. All the buttons have a hover state and are actively linked. On the collection page, you see the small thumbnail photos. They serve as thumbnails to larger photo pages. Each one you are going to click on is a hyperlink towards that page that it correlates to. There's a main photo with two smaller photos showing some detail of the garment. There's some detail on the description of the image as well of the garment, and it ends off with a before and after button, so a secondary navigation at the bottom of the page as well. You notice also on these garment pages that the navigation looks slightly different than what it does on the main pages of the site. But the Wild Vintage logo still serves as the home page button as it does with all the others. You can see there when I click the after button, it goes to the garment that's next or following that. When I click on the Back to Collection button, it takes me back to the thumbnail images page. Notice also the padding and the spacing of text and items. Photos bleed until the edge of the content section, whereas text, horizontal rules and so forth have some padding or spacing on either side of it. Close-up photos, or the two smaller photos below the main photos, also have some spacing. On the About Wild page, you'll notice the same kind of layout structure that has been followed, but with some added spacing. Contact Us page contains all the contact information of the client, the various ways one could contact them, and if you can remember, we also created an email link that highlights into a different color, so it opens automatically into Outlook. And of course, the footer contains the social media icons. I showed you how to make them active, so when you click on it, it takes you to the correlating social media page. And that's it. Thank you for watching.